Everybody, welcome to my channel, Learn with Shobha.Mehta. Your online classes would have resumed after the vacations. So have I resumed my video. Another video on importance of online education. This is the part 2 of the importance of online classes video series. Now, why these classes have become more and more important now? There are numerous reasons. First of all, we do not want to take any chance with the safety of the children. The way the infection is spreading, the way the coronavirus is mutating, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, delta plus, then they're saying lambda is arriving. Only if we are extremely careful, we are following COVID appropriate behavior, only then we can think of controlling it. And another point is vaccination. More and more people get vaccinated, more safe we would all be. So let's see when we can start with offline classes, because the teachers are very keen to have you in schools. You are very keen to join school because you want your offline classes, you want to meet friends, you want to do lab work, you want to do class interactions in the presence of everyone. That is something different. But then, till it is safe, we have to manage with these online classes. So online classes are here to stay till the situation becomes secure, till the situation is safe enough to call the students. Now, when will that be? Let's pray it's faster, it's as soon as possible, because offline classes definitely give you an advantage of being closer to others, right? So now, even if when they're calling, when offline classes are called, the entire school will not come together. First it will be the 12th standard, that too they will come in batches. Then the 10th, these are the board classes, and then the 12th. First the senior classes will be coming, and then only if everything is normal, the spread does not multiply, then only the junior classes will be allowed. Now, why these online classes have become more important now is the reason that the assessment of class 12th will also have some weightage of your performance in 10th and 11th. CBSE has already informed the ratio 30 is to 30 is to 40. What is this 30 is to 30 is to 40? Out of the 100% marks that you will be scoring, that you will be given in class 12th, 30% will depend upon how you performed in class 10th, and 30% will depend upon how you performed in class 11th. So now it has become all the more important that you pay attention to these classes, attend all the classes, do all the worksheets, attempt the tests, the unit tests, the exam, midterm exam, the final exam. Everything has to be done very systematically, because it is then that you will be able to get a good score in class 12. Otherwise, if you keep absenting yourself or do this test casually, how will you get the marks? The weightage will at least dip down. So what are you going to do? So the best is to participate in the class diligently. You participate in all online classes. You participate in all the discussions for the projects, worksheet discussions, they are very important, which are given regularly. All the tests, unit tests, midterm exam, other exam have to be done with full proper preparation. Don't take them lightly, don't take them casually. And when you are learning, do not procrastinate. That means do not postpone your study hours, study work, your homework, your assignments. You have to be rather proactive. What is proactive? Before the class, if you give a reading to the chapter, it will be wonderful. You'll be able to understand much better. So do that and learn the work done the same day at home. That will help you a lot in revising what you're doing. So remember, participation in class is important. Teacher's impression is there. Do all your worksheets, submit them. Attempt all the tests and learn from your mistakes. Okay, you do your test, you learn from your mistakes. Ask your doubts. If you don't ask your doubts, you are going to repeat the same problems again and again. So to get maximum advantage from these online classes, you need to ask your doubts. Ask your teachers, ask your friends, anyone, but you need to do away with these obstacles, the doubts, which are not letting you learn further, right? So all these have to be done, and then you excel in the exams. Now again, how do you derive maximum benefit out of these classes? You have to do a little work. You will have to be a little systematic. So make a schedule. It's not that if the classes are starting at 8 o'clock, you get up at 7:30, just splash some water, and then you say, I'm ready for the class. No, that's not the way you will be able to understand what's going on, what is being taught. Just like for your offline school, the way you prepared, you went, had a light breakfast, have the similar schedule. Of course, you have an advantage. You are saving time, no transportation. Otherwise, in places like Delhi, students are spending at least 1.5 hours morning, 1.5 hours in the afternoon in commuting. You're saving all that time. So that is the advantage of online classes, right? So, and do not play pranks. Teachers have learnt a lot. They have worked hard. Of course, you may be a better technical person. You may be tech savvy more than your teachers, but then respect your teachers. They have worked hard. Along with their subject, they have worked on all these intricacies of the online digital media. So you have to be very, very respectful, and you have to take care. Don't switch off your video and disappear. You're becoming casual then. So you have to remember all this. What is important, I feel, is you be sincere to yourself. Okay? Be sincere to yourself means be honest to yourself, and do not try to use unfair means for anything, for the worksheets, for the tests, for exams. Why? Because you and God are the only two persons who know what's going on in your mind. So keep this in mind, and then be honest, sincere to yourself. Don't expect that people should be there, your mother should be supervising, parents should be supervising, someone supervising for your test. No. Be your own supervisor. Okay? Second point, compete with yourself. If you tend to get a little fidgety or depressed or feel low by seeing how well the others are performing, do not worry. Don't worry. These online classes, you are handling them individually. So remember, everyone is unique. You are special. Your friend may be good in maths, but you may be good in social studies. So everyone has their own capabilities and aptitude. Don't worry about that. Do your best. Forget about the rest. Okay? Third point, raise your bar. You're competing with yourself. You raise your bar yourself to the level of others who are doing very well. Why? Slowly, if you're getting 60% now, you aim at 65, then you aim at 70, and so on. Raise the bar. That will help you. Now, we are all hoping and praying that the coronavirus gets under control, but for the time for which you have the online classes, be friendly with online classes. They are here to stay till situation improves. So that's what I wanted to convey to you. Remember, all that we have discussed, online classes are here to stay. Be attentive, do all the work assigned, compete with yourself, be honest to yourself, and oh la la, you are the winner, and you will be doing very well, I can assure you. So all the best, good luck.